Okay guys, basically what I said guys, when I am gone out, nobody could not use my Wi-Fi. I mean, like, people out of street couldn't connect to it. But the only people can connect to my Wi-Fi guys is me, my father, my friends, whether here or overseas, can connect to it when they come here. But differently if it's it's a street door, meaning like if a person walking up and down on the street looking for Wi-Fi to connect to do their business, well, them I do not allow on my Wi-Fi. So I will allow people who I know on my Wi-Fi guys. So this is part 2 of part 1. So I will see you guys later and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. So bye guys.